Hi friends! So today we're going to be making a vegetable hot and sour soup. Okay, so I have some tofu, carrots, onions, mushrooms, ginger garlic, spring onions as my vegetables. You can feel free to use anything that you have in hand. First, let's crack 2 eggs and beat them well. Next, we're going to make a slurry with half a cup chicken stock and arrowroot powder or cornstarch powder. All right, let's start by sauteing our onions, then add the diced carrots and ginger and garlic. Once your vegetables are sauteed, add some salt and pepper to taste. Next, I'm going to add some mushrooms. Saute them for about a minute or two. Add your chicken stock. I have 2 cups of chicken stock here. Add 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, some green onions, 2 tablespoons of Tamari sauce. Let's go ahead and add the dried bamboo shoots. Once your soup comes to a boil, go ahead and add the cornstarch or the arrowroot slurry that you made and let it come to another boil. Last but not the least, stir in that beaten egg. Make sure you're constantly stirring your soup pot to make sure you get those nice ribbons. Next, you can add in hot sauce of your choice. I added some Sriracha. And finally, go ahead and add in those diced tofu. Give it a quick taste for seasoning. There you have it. Your hot and sour soup is ready. For more videos like these, subscribe to Naya Fusion Food on YouTube and follow me on Instagram.